Wondering if you can use Klarna's Pay in 4 feature to purchase gift cards? In this video, I'll give you the clear facts on Klarna's policy and what you need to know before you try. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This is a very common question, and the answer is important for using your account responsibly. Let's get into the details. Here is the key takeaway. Klarna's terms of service generally prohibit the use of their Pay Later services for purchasing gift cards, prepaid cards, or other financial products. If a merchant categorizes a transaction as a gift card purchase, Klarna will likely decline it at checkout. So, why is this the case? It's a matter of risk and financial regulation. Gift cards are seen as similar to cash, and allowing buy now, pay later on cash equivalent items could lead to potential misuse or debt cycles. Klarna's credit is intended for purchasing specific goods and services directly. Now, you might be thinking about a workaround. Some users wonder if they can use the Klarna virtual card at a store that sells gift cards among other items. While this might technically process in some cases, it directly violates Klarna's acceptable use policy. Doing so could result in your account being flagged, suspended, or even permanently closed. My best advice is to use Klarna as intended, for the clothes, electronics, home goods, and other products you need. This keeps your account in good standing and ensures this flexible payment tool remains available to you for your everyday purchases. Sticking to the rules is the smart way to keep your financial options open. If this clarification helped you understand Klarna's policy better, please hit that like button. Have you ever been tempted to buy a gift card with Klarna? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel, because next, we're wrapping up this series with how to redeem Klarna coupon codes. Thanks for watching.